Hello everyone. Um, you remember the design that we made in the first in the before, right? This design. So we are going now to integrate this design to our Django project, right? The first thing that we need to do, we need to create some directories here, and we need to create these ones here in our Django block, right? Here, let's create multiple directories. Let's call it one. Let's create one folder called static. Boom. And then let's create one called templates. So in the static folder, we're going to store all the static files from our templates, and in the templates, our templates, right? Simple. So here we need to copy this one, CSS and GS files. Just copy this one, and you can just click that and show finding folder. Oops, sorry. You can just yeah, you can just open a new one, and then here you go to your Django project. So here in the static, we're going to paste the CSS and the GS files. Okay, boom, and then the templates. Just copy this one, and the templates, all the templates, and then boom, here we go. And then in static file, let's create a new folder, and then call it img. This goes for the static pictures that we have here, and for others that we can use later. Right? Paste. Boom. Here we go. Let's close that. Let's go here. Okay, so we move everything. We have everything here. So now we need to we have the templates, and we need to include let me see here, settings. Okay, let's just go to our views. Okay, let's create now a new view. Let's call it luckily we have a built-in method that can just in Django to help us to load templates and stuff. That's just generic templates, and we can call this this is Django views generic import template view. Boom. And no, actually, this is up. We don't need to declare any view here. We can just move that, and put it in the URLs, and then here, oops, here you can just have call hello, or no, let's call this one hello, right? And then this will be hello world. and then yeah, let's just modify the name of this. Yeah, and then like here, let's have our template view thing, and then as view, right? And then we pass the template, right? And the template name is the template name. I think it's like that. Template name, and then we pass the template name, and it will be our index. This template here, index, right? And then you can give it a name if you want to. I don't know. Name index. Oops. Index. Add comma here. Boom. Okay. Let's just open them. Right. It's in here. We have in post. We have hello now. Oops. Where? Oh yeah. This is ground. It's like that template. Let's see. Having an error here. As view. It should work. Let's run that again. Hello. Boom. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. Now let's run our index to load the. Oh, template does not exist. Okay, why we have this error? Okay, so this error is because Django is trying to find the template, but it's not trying to find this file, our HTML index file, but it's not finding it. We need to specify Django where our templates are, right? And in order to do that, let's open settings, right? Let's find templates here, and as you can see here, it's empty. In directories, basically, it's empty. So like here, we can just copy. Let me see. Yeah, we can just copy this thing because this one identify the DB SQLite, it's here, like base dir and everything. They just copy this. Yeah, yeah, boom. And then now, what is our templates? It's in the Django blog folder. Let's just put that Django blog folder, and in this folder templates. So let's slash templates. Yeah, we're basically saying like we're basically writing the path to the templates. Boom. And it should work now. Sorry. It should work. Boom. It's working. But the CSLs and JavaScript and picture files is not loading. It's not serving all of this. So let's fix that, right? Again, this is this is our in our settings app here. So we don't have like in this static URL, we don't have the path. So let's just create that. Let's just name it like static files tiers. Boom, just like that. Static file tiers, and then like this, that will be a dictionary. and then like here again, copy and paste. Let's copy that. Let's copy this and paste it here. Boom. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Um, they are not in the templates folder, they are in the static folder. So static. Boom. And now let's reload. Still not working. Um, this is because we need to load the static files in our templates. We need to modify our templates now. Let's just click an index. Right, that's where we're trying to load. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to load the static files. And we do that by calling the tag name. This is a Django thing. The tag load static, just like that. Remember, just like that, load static with these curly brackets and here. Now, like this, let's just go. Like we'll start with the CSS. Yeah. So as you can see, like um, we need to tell the template where these static files are, right? And we load the static, but we need to set the app, right? We just need to do that. Like, just copy this. I don't know, paste it here like that. And then load static, but we don't need load static. We need to use this static because we call this. And then here we inside this single quote marks, we just copy this or move and paste it here. Right. And now let's do the same for this one. Just copy this. Boom. And then copy this. Paste it here. Just like that. Let's do the same on the bottom for the JavaScript files. For the JavaScript files, let's do the same. Just copy all of that. Yeah, we don't need to type all of that. We just need to copy this. Boom, boom. Let it close it. One. Single quote. Boom. Save. So now everything should work. Everything should work fine. Let's go. Let's reload. Here we go. Yeah. Oops. We forgot our pictures. Let's see. Ooh. That would be a nightmare to change all of that. Yeah. I'm just. You know what I'm going to do? You will see. Let me just paste that. Static is in the image background to dot, and then just copy that and paste it in all the pictures. I just want you for you to see how it looks, and then boom, boom. Here we go. Here we go. Now we have our index working, right? With this like static website, right? Um, Now let's create a new directory here, like on the settings. Let's create a new one. We will call it like media URL, and then this one media, and then media root. No, we just need to just copy this, right? Boom, boom. Just call it like media. Yeah, I will just put it here like the media folder. We can just go ahead and create the folder if you want to. Media. So all of the pictures, like that we upload, like all the pictures and like all the media files will be stored here. So this is different from the static. This is different from the static directory because the static is just for the templates and stuff. The media is for the data and like all the file, all the pictures that we upload and everything. Yeah, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video.